Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to download Pcvr games for free in 2025. My previous guide on this topic no longer works due to the rookie Pcvr servers coming down a long time ago now. And the alternative is the Armgddn browser. You have access to many things in the Armgddn browser, such as PC games, Pcvr games, crack software, whatever. If the people that made this, or if YouTube wants me to take it down, obviously I will take it down. In fact, I'll probably have no choice in the matter. YouTube will probably just take it down. But you know, this video was requested on my previous video, my tutorial on this topic that no longer works. Someone asked me to create a tutorial on how to do this today. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description. You want to make sure that you have 7-zip. I'll also leave a link for that in the description. For most people, you want to download the 64-bit version unless you somehow have a 32-bit computer that can play PCVR, in which case, I'm quite surprised. Anyway, once you've got 7-zip installed, you want to go over to the GitHub. You want to scroll down to the bottom and you want to download setup.7zip, not the update, the setup.7zip. And once you've downloaded it, you want to open it, and you want to make a folder somewhere on your desktop or in your downloads folder, not in any protected folders like your C drive, program files, a Steam folder, anything like that. Anyway, you want to double click on the Armgddn browser folder in the zip file, drag all of these into the Armgddn tutorial folder, and then you want to run the install.bat file. You'll get a little pop-up, say run anyway, and then you'll get a little CMD. Now don't be alarmed, it's not scary, it's not going to give you a fucking virus or anything. It gives you a little warning about not putting it in a problematic folder, so just click OK or any key to continue. It'll be done in about 10-15 seconds. It is a piece of piss to download. And it's absolutely amazing. So yeah. There you go. Done. And then you want to go over to the Armgddn browser.cmd, not the exe, the CMD. Double click on it, you'll get a little pop-up like this. This says Armgddn, and then you will have access to every PCVR game you could ever want. So PCVR 1 is for all of the first section of all the PCVR games. You've got PC, which is for PC games, and you've got, you know, other things too. If you want to change the install location, click on Preferences, go to Default Download Folder, click the little 3 dots, and then you can change it. By default, it's going to create a folder in your Armgddn folder called Games, and put all of your games in there, which works perfect for most people, but you might want it in a different location or what have you. Anyway, yep, that's pretty much the entire video. Dead short, perfect, really easy to understand. The UI isn't as intuitive as Rookie in my opinion, but it gets the job done. Probably better than Rookie ever would. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.